Today I'm going to show you how to get to the tiled steps on 16th and Moraga in San Francisco. Here's San Francisco right here, and you have the airport down here. Oakland's over there. If you're coming through the airport, you have Highway 101 is this way and 280 is this way. 280 is the best way to get there. So let's take a look at the area here. The Golden Gate Bridge is above here. To the south is the airport. Now let's zoom in. This place is located in the Sunset District. If you go over here, you will notice that you have Golden Gate Park to the north, and over here you have 19th Avenue, which is known as Highway 1. And you can get here via 280 or coming around this way, Highway 101. There's a couple ways you can get there, but this is just give you an idea where it is in general. After that, let's zoom in slowly. Now that you have an idea, and as we zoom in, you'll see it's right off 19th Avenue. And as we get a little closer, there's Moraga Street and 16th Avenue, which is about here. So come down 19th Avenue. There is no left turn on this street. You can also get off earlier if you're coming from the south. Just simply take a right turn on Moraga Street. If you're coming from the north, come down here and you will have to do a loop around Lawton Street like this and come up that way. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit more and take a look. So here you go. You now have the Mosaic Stairway, is what we're looking at, and the 16th Avenue tiled steps. Take a look like this. Make sure you come there on a nice day when it's nice. At the top you have one of the best views here, Grand View Park. I'm going to be showing you the walk from here all the way to there in detail. Let's take a look at how it is. Now I want to point out something, that parking is kind of tough here because it's a residential neighborhood, but you may have better luck parking here or down on 17th Avenue. This is a tough area to park in. Up here it's very, very hard to park in, as you will see. I'll give you a look at the satellite view, and this is what you're dealing with, and this is what it looks like right here. Let's go back to the map. And there we are at the bottom. We will begin our tour from the bottom. Okay. Today we're going up the Moraga Street stairs in San Francisco. It's located at 16th and Moraga in the Sunset District. What you're going to see here is one of the most beautiful mural stairs in the city. Today's temperature is 75 degrees. It's August 13th. It's really windy out here. When you come out here, most of the time it's foggy. You get 1 or 2 days out of the month that may be decent. If you come during October, you're going to get the best weather in San Francisco. I'd recommend coming only on nice days out here. If you come during a foggy time, it's just not the same. You won't get a view and you're going to freeze up here. The wind is always really high at the top, about 15 miles an hour higher than what you have at the bottom. Take a look at this mural they put together with tiles. It's just incredible here. Looks great. A lot of people use this for exercise. But the view is just the best. Tour buses don't come here because it's in a residential neighborhood. So if you want to come here, you have to come on your own. You can take the 28 bus to get here and get off at Moraga or Lawton and take the walk up here, or you can drive if you have a car, but to take the bus is fine. You're going to get a workout going up this, that's for sure. But I'm going to show you at the top one of the best views. Now if you go all the way to the top, you're going to get an incredible view, and it's probably the best view you can get in the northwestern part of San Francisco. You're going to get to see the bridge, Twin Peaks, Ocean Beach, how it goes out to Golden Gate Park, lots of stuff. This is the moon and that's the sun there. See, looks nice, huh? They put sandbags there to deal with erosion, because when it gets wet, stuff comes down. people who just hang out here.
And then at least if you're doing it like at the end of September, then you have that break, right? And then you can just do it. And then if you don't get the score that you want, you can do it at the end of October, which is you already have the experience. Yes, you're doing classes, but hopefully at the beginning of the quarter it shouldn't be as intense. So that's what I'm thinking we'll do.
Just soak in the view. Golden Gate Park on the right there, going out to the ocean.
I was looking at it, and for early priority things, it's like the deadline is 15th of December. Yeah, for most things. Yep. And then for general admission, it's 15th of January. Yep. So like September, October time is like a good time to do it.
This is also something that I'm worried about is recommendation letters.
I'm worried about that as well.
Because I have to submit pictures. But I don't know if I'll get those. And then I don't have a job. So well, I do have a job. But I don't know if I can go to my orientation or anything.
Yeah.
Could you write me a recommendation letter? Because I haven't seen numbers.
The thing is, I think I can do.
Okay, let's head to the top now.
I've got 2 bosses that I work with. But that's fine. Yeah. That's
And this is take the closest stairs here. So yeah, you want to come out here. I would say wintertime's okay, but it's going to be really cold up here. Wintertime's nice, but don't come up here after rain. You'll see why when we get to the top. Here comes some wind, and I'll show you where we're going. All the way up there. Doesn't look like much, but it is. Looks like a mom and her son going for a walk. That's good to see. One of the benefits of good things about the pandemic is families get to spend more time together. And I want to point out that during non-pandemic times, this area would be very crowded. I mean, really, really crowded. But due to the lockdown, it's actually a good time to go because there's very few people out there. So if you're coming to San Francisco, make sure you check this place out. If you just live out here, you never came here, come check it out. More steps, more wind. There's Golden Gate Park. This is what we saw. Now we're a little higher. We can see over the trees. That's looking to the southwest. It's going to get better as we get up there. We'll see more. you just how hard the wind blows up here. It feels like a storm or something. Now, like I mentioned, you don't want to come up here after rain or during rain. Over there is by the wheel over there in the park is the DeYoung Museum. It's looking towards downtown San Francisco. Looking to the north, there's a Golden Gate Bridge in the distance, but this area gets really muddy, so you can get mud all over yourself if you don't fall. Now we're looking up at the Golden Gate Bridge, straight ahead, upper right-hand part of the screen. There's the Golden Gate Park. Looks big, but it's smaller than Central Park. Looking back over to the west, it's ocean. You can see way out in the distance. There's a church down there. And if you look out in the distance, down there you see downtown. The black building straight in the middle is UCSF Hospital, Bank of America building downtown. There's all the high rises way down there, upper left hand side of the screen. You can see it all. Look at this, you get to see more than 180 degrees out here. Get to see the northeast, north, the west. Like I said, really nice views.